Duond buch Jubilee olungo twak gi jo Kenya e wi chal mar piny Kenya e apise maduong' e boma ma Nairobi. Wawinji achiel kachiel kaka twak ma kamano dhi mbele nyaka sechegi. Achiel kuom jokanyo e duond burano mano Jeremiah Kioni dhi mbele gi twak.
Has heard them, but he has not understood them. Amesikia lakini hajaelewa. When I see him talking about dialogue, what is he calling them to dialogue about? We just finished kitu kingine inaitwa nini? Nadiko. He has not implemented anything other than the IBC bill that he signed yesterday. Before that, there was a BBI. There are so many reports out of dialoguing that part of the reasons why the young people are actually protesting is because they are also fed up with dialogues. So when you say that you want to dialogue, ni kusema ya kwamba hujaelewa, unasikia lakini hujaelewa ni kwa nini hawa vijana wetu wako nje wakisema ya kwamba all is not well and why they are saying Ruto must go. An example is this is a fee structure that I'm holding. These were received by parents across the country the last 1 week. And this is a first year student admitted at Dedan Kimathi University. A course which we were paying, and I have paid 26,000 shillings a year for my child. Today, for the same course, mtoto ameitishwa 316,000 shillings. It's here. 316,000. A while ago, we were only paying 26,000. Today, they are being required to pay 316,000. How many parents in this country, irrespective of your level of employment, can afford 316,000 shillings ya mtoto mmoja? Na ukiwa na watatu, you start telling wawili gojeni, nifunze huyu, nikimaliza nikuje kwa wale wengine. That is why they are demonstrating. That's why they are in the streets. That does not require dialogue. Just change the policy. Let them go back to class. How many kids wale munaona pale wakikibia about they stopped going to school because they cannot afford the school fees for the reason that the structure was changed midway. They came through free primary education. They came through 100% transition. Now they are at the university na mara moja wameambiwa next term unalipa fees. How many? They were here in my office. Almost 10 of them. Mimi nilikuwa in the second year, I was a first year, I was a third year. I have stopped because I don't have a father, I don't have a mother, and I'm required to pay school fees. I do not know who to go to. So when you talk about dialogue, unaishi dunia gani wewe? Many of them are also saying they were beneficiaries of kazi kwa vijana. That thing was not for fun. They were getting something to cater for their daily whatever needs as they were going to school and they were doing the other things. Even feeding some of them have babies. Umetoa, and you want to dialogue? So how can we miss it such a big? It's a missing. How we can make fool of what has been happening in the country by saying that we can start dialoguing. There's nothing to dialogue about. They are saying Ruto must go. And why they are saying Ruto must go is because he is completely disconnected with what is happening in this country. Today, how many of the same generation is struggling at CLE, this thing called the Council of Legal Education, hapa at Karen? Wameagushwa tena mitihani. They were there yesterday. They were talking to me. Wameagushwa mitihani, wamekuwa akiagushwa tu. Na wanasema sio haki. If you look at the number of people that are being made to repeat those exams and to pay money, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 to redo the exams. We've lost it. And I don't think that is why we need to talk about dialoguing. And when again you hear Farah saying that the better thing, if we are kama ni mimi, nigeua 5,000 kids a day. That arrogance. And he is a deputy of the speaker, he's a deputy speaker of the National Assembly. na endelee kukaa kwa hicho kiti. And when you mention, he says that we are attacking Somalis. We are not. We are aware that there is a cartel of some 20-30 Somalis in this Nairobi. Hata hawaendi Northeastern. They are the ones doing biashara na serikali. Now they think that when we complain, we are complaining about against Somalis. We have nothing against Somalis. Hata wao wenyewe waache kuwahadaa wa Somali. A big chunk of the young people you saw outside there wametoka Mathare, Korogocho, Gikomba, and the other places including Kamuru. They are coming from families
Koramgajong mano kanyo en jagoro madun bura mar Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni gidhi mbele kanyo gi twak oten record chal mar Kenya kata kamano jafwa mora Simfrozo Kinda ntiere kanyo ang nomiwa kuku mar wachno kaka weche ang bedi gisane wadhi mbele gi weche manyien. Jopuonjre mantiere mbalariany mag piny owacho Mombasa koni ok girwako chenro manyien ma piny owacho tiyo gode jolo somb